Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate airline transfer partners on Chase, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate airline transfer partners on Chase, begin by logging into your Chase account. Navigate to the rewards section of your account dashboard. Locate the option labeled Transfer to Travel Partners. Click on this option to view the list of airline partners available. Select the airline partner you wish to activate. You will be prompted to sign in to your frequent flyer account for that airline. Enter your login credentials for the airline's frequent flyer program. Once logged in, review any terms and conditions that may apply to the transfer process. After authorization, confirm the setup to activate your partnership. Return to the Chase Rewards section to view your activated airline partner. Ensure that your frequent flyer account displays the successful connection. You can now transfer points from Chase to your chosen airline partner. To initiate a points transfer, select the airline and enter the number of points. Confirm the transfer details before finalizing the process. After completion, check your frequent flyer account for the updated points balance. Your points are now ready to be used for flights or upgrades with that airline. If you wish to activate additional airline partners, repeat the steps as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.